Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button below for more amazing DIY project. Today I have got something truly amazing for you guys, a DIY winter wonderland creation that will turn your living space into an amazing landscape of frosty charm. For this project, I gathered some items: long wood paint stick that I got from Lois, and charming home sign, and a transparent ornament from Dollar Tree. We are going to turn these simple items into something amazing and wonderful winter wonderland creation. First, we need four paint sticks. I want each one to be slightly longer than the last, so I'm marking them with the pencil and cutting them down with my hand. So, safety first, folks. Voila. After cutting, I'm sanding these edges to make them smooth and staining them with this brown Beverly wax. I love using a baby wipe for this. It's a great DIY hack. Once they are dry, I'm adding a layer of white chalk paint for that perfect wintry touch. Now let's jazz up this clear ornament. We're adding some Mod Podge inside using this paintbrush and some fake snowflakes, some stuffing, a pinch of stuffing inside to mimic snow. A bit of Mod Podge helps it stick to the bottom with hot glue. Then I'm using these craft tweezers to place tiny trees inside, sticking them with a dab of hot glue. To top it off, I'm making a small bow with this stunning ribbon. It has blue snowflakes that match our theme perfectly. Next, I'm giving this home sign a fresh coat of white chalk paint. To add a winter vibe, I'm lightly brushing these long sticks with light blue stain and wiping them down. It's all about those subtle details. Now time to build our base. I'm gluing 6 blocks together to create a long piece. Then paint it with white chalk paint. When it's dry, I add a hint of blue stain for distressed look. In today's video, I am part of a new monthly collaboration called What Would You Make? This amazing collab is hosted by 2 incredible crafters. We have Connie from Connie's SwoodshopandDIYs, and we have Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY. And guess what? This month we have a guest crafter, the talented Andy Jones from Crafting with Andy Jones. And don't forget to check out all their channels. You will find the links in my description box below, along with playlists featuring fantastic creators from this collaboration. It's a fantastic way to explore new DIY projects and more inspiration. Let's jump and continue my project now. I'm attaching this long piece to the sticks diagonally using wood glue and hot glue for extra hold. And for some texture, I'm adding these border stickers from Dollar Tree. Almost there. I'm attaching the home sign at the bottom as a stand. To hide the support, I'm using Jigga blocks at the back of the letter H and E. Paint them with blue stain. Then I'm covering the bottom of the paint sticks with border stickers and painting them with light blue for a cohesive look. Painting the whole stickers or border stickers with this light blue paint. Now I'm attaching this home piece or home sign on the bottom with hot glue and wood glue. As you see, I added some blocks in the back so to have this sign stand. Now I'm gluing the ornament on top of the letter O in home and adding white paint dots to mimic snow with this tiny stick. A little shadowing around the letter with light blue paint for this home sign. Voila! And there you have it, a beautiful handcrafted winter wonderland sign. I couldn't resist adding these blue pinching pins and tiny lantern with a light for that extra sparkle. Isn't it just adorable? Look at this piece of winter wonderland DIY. I hope you love this DIY as much as I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay creative, and I will see you soon in next video. A bientôt. Bye.